I'm here with my neighbor, good friend Ray. Ray?
Well, I'm going to enjoy a ride with my neighbor, Leon. Hopefully he doesn't hit 165.
I won't do 165.
If he does,
not on these streets.
call the cops to pick us up and send the ambulance for the bodies. No.
All right, Ray is 84. He says his heart's good. Doesn't get motion sickness.
No, I don't.
Okay, this will be fun. This will be a good time. You ready?
Yes, I'm
Here
ready.
we go. Sounds even better.
Motor sounds heavy, powerful, and I'm holding on for my dear little life.
We're going 5 miles an hour.
He's just barely cruising right now.
There's no storage space here.
Okay.
This isn't a grocery getter.
Maybe you should put the trunk in. Oh my God.
That's alright, dude. Thanks, man. Welcome to my office.
Man.
What do you think?
One thing I can tell you, I had a great experience. A little scared with the wheelies, but after the first one, the second one was...
You're used to it by then?
The third one was at about 100 miles an hour. You could feel it in its tension. But it was a great experience. I really enjoyed it. Welcome to you. I think you did a great job with it.
Check off your bucket list.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for coming, Ray.
Yeah,
that was good times.
Yeah.
You'll have to tell everybody about it.
Oh, well, I'm going to tell them at church tomorrow. I'm not telling them.